Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm recreating my 2017 look that's budget friendly, and I'm also going to be walking you through each step of this bold, colorful look. This updated version is brighter, bolder, and is completely done on a budget using products I already own in my collection. It's more of a turquoise blue than a seafoam green, but it's the closest thing I have. While I glam it up, I also will be opening up about my journey to rebuild my finances and celebrate small wins I've had along the way. With my birthday month in full swing, I've been reflecting on how far I came, not just in my makeup skills, but in life in general. If you are new here, I usually post once a week or every other week with makeup tutorials and real life topics that come to mind. If that is your vibe, I would like for you to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my new videos. All of the products that I've used will be listed in the description area below. If you would like to see how I created this look, then stay tuned. The 2017 look is on the left and the 2025 look is on the right. I know it's been a minute since I've last posted, but honestly, I needed a little more time to recharge and refocus. But I'm back now, feeling more creative than ever and ready to share some brand new looks with y'all. Before we dive into the eyeshadow, I'm setting my brows in place with my favorite eyebrow gel so they can stay in place all day. Next, I'm cleaning up my eyebrows with a clean Q-tip to sharpen up the edges and make it look smooth. Since today is officially my birthday, I wanted to do something a little extra, so I'm mixing MAC's Landlow paint pot with a Kat Von D Super Pomade and whiteout to make these colors pop on my eyelids. I'm keeping it low-key this year as far as birthday plans, so I'm just hitting Myrtle Beach with my family. We'll most likely go out to eat and chill out on the beach. Next, I'm packing on a purple matte shade on the outer corner in my crease areas. It's been 13 years since my last beach trip, so I'm really excited about it. Back in 2017, when I was creating this look, I was going for more of a purple and green tropical vibe, and that's what I wanted to recreate. Now I'm using a soft tan shade from another custom palette to blend out the edges of that purple. Lately I've been rebuilding my finances, so I've been focusing on using what I already have in my collection and finding affordable products that still give me the look that I want. I'm highlighting my brow bone with a lighter beige shade. These days I only replace products when I run out, lose them, or if they get damaged, and that'll help me cut unnecessary spending. Now I'm just blending out the edges with the same brush I used for that tan shade, keeping it simple. I'm just touching up that purple shade in the crease to bring back some of the depth and make sure it still stands out. Now I'm creating a half-cut crease by using a clean Q-tip and some makeup remover. This helps me get a smooth, clean line before I lay down the next color. Now I'm going in with the Kat Von D Super Pomade and whiteout right on top of that space that I had carved out. This helps me achieve a smooth, bright base, so whatever color I put on top of it stands out. Now I'm trying to create a seafoam green shade to go right on top of that white base, but it ended up leaning towards more of a turquoise blue color, which I'm totally fine with. Most of the shades I've used from this palette are from Wet n Wild, ColourPop, and other affordable brands. Now I'm blending out the edges between the purple and the turquoise to make sure that everything flows seamlessly. Now I'm applying ColourPop's Ladybird eyeshadow to my tear duct area for a brightening pop that really opens up the eyes. Now next I'm creating a sharp black wing with the NYX Epic Wear eyeliner in black. Over time, I've really improved my makeup skills while learning how to save money, proving that you don't need expensive products to get a flawless look. Now I'm applying Hourglass Instant Extensions Mascara in black before I apply the eyelash glue and eyelashes, giving my natural lashes some length and some volume to blend in perfectly. Now I'm applying Kiss Lash Couture Black Eyelash Glue to help blend my real and false lashes seamlessly. Now I'm applying some false lashes I picked up from my local beauty supply store a while ago. I like using my fingers to gently press my real and false lashes together for a natural seamless finish. I'm lining my lower lash line and waterline with the Inglot Gel Eyeliner in 77. This step ties together the purple and green vibes for my 2017 look with my fresh 2025 style. Now I'm using the same matte purple shade to softly blend out the eyeliner for a seamless smoky finish. Now I'm smudging the dark tan shade along my lower lash line to tie everything together. Now my eyes are done, so I'm applying Urban Decay's All Nighter Primer. Since my March surgery, I've been rebuilding financially by setting aside small amounts of money and catching up on bills little by little. Now I'm applying Clinique Acne Solutions Foundation in the shade Ginger. I've noticed a trend among makeup influencers. There's this trend to constantly buy and promote new products for views, and I definitely felt that pressure. I ended up going into debt to try to keep up with those trends, but now I'm working my way out of that debt and learning that you can create beautiful looks without going broke. Next, I'm applying Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Tan Deep Honey. One thing I've learned from buying so much makeup at once is that it does expire if you don't use it up. Now I'm a lot more selective with what I buy and focus on what I'll actually use going forward. Now I'm applying my cream contour with my custom Adept Cosmetics palette, still using the same products and creating looks that I'm really proud of. The custom-made palettes I use are very versatile and can be used for many different styles and looks. That is what I enjoy most about makeup in general. Using a cream blush from the same custom palette, it gives my cheeks a natural flush color that I really love. Now I'm using the same foundation brush to blend out my foundation, cream blush, and concealer all together for a smooth, seamless finish. It's not about saving time or products. It's also a reminder of how far I came. I've been more mindful with my spending, catching up on bills, and creating looks that I truly love with what I already own. That's a win in my book. Now I'm setting everything into place with Beauty Bakery's setting powder in oat. As I step into 31, I'm looking forward to more growth, more self-love, and to create with purpose continuously. There's so much ahead and I'm excited for all of it. To add some definition back to my face, I'm using Benefit Hoola Toasted Bronzer in Deep. It's all about embracing my natural glow and celebrating every step of this journey, feeling stronger, more confident, and ready for whatever comes next. Now I'm applying my custom blush, and it reminds me to be more uplifting and to grow more like Christ every single day, bringing light and kindness not only to my look, but to my life and other people's lives. I'm applying my custom highlighter, and it reminds me to be a beacon of light and inspiration for those who are around me. To tie everything together, I'm using MAC Studio Fix Powder in the shade NW45. It helps me soften any harsh lines, and honestly, blending colors is my favorite part. It's where everything comes together in harmony. So now I'm setting my base with the All Nighter Setting Spray by Urban Decay. Now I'm applying the Lip Bar Straight No Chaser lip liner, a simple step that sets the stage for bold lipstick and helps me face the day with confidence and grace. For the finishing touch, I'm applying the Lip Bar Vegan Matte Liquid Lipstick in Drama Queen. It's a bold reddish purple that's different from the bluish purple color that I wore back in 2017. Well, the look is complete and I'm ready to kick off my birthday in style. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for all of my newest videos. Until next time, take care and stay blessed, y'all.